Zebra wood. Ooh, live oak. Cadillacs. You'd end up just looking jet black. And then, of course, firewood. Who don't like some firewood? I think this one is a little too straight grained, a little too blah. Plus this piece is just about the right size as it is. We're going to be making one like that. The difference between this and this is the amount of wood that will be around it. 0.445, 0.36. So let's cut it to length first. It's generally considered too loose. Oh, perfect. That's what I'm looking for. You should be good. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is so cool. Leave it stay on. Try not to burn myself because it is hot. Very, very hot. There. That thing's hot. That's what I'm looking for. 8. Yep. Perfect. Because right now it's 446, and the total on this is 6. So I am 6, 7, 8. Okay, still on. So 5, 3, 5, 3. 1 inch and 1/4 inch. That. Just that one. Put it back on in the other direction. I like that. Okay. Same thing on this end. So there you have it. This is a lead holder, and one I've been wanting to make for a while. I have another lead holder that was given to me a long time ago, and I wanted to make another one. A lead holder is a great thing for doing your rough joinery marking when you just want to make a big line that says, I'm cutting roughly here, I'm not getting anything exact. This will stand up to rough cut lumber and will give you a markable line that you can see and follow. Whereas a marking knife is better for accuracy, it can be harder to see, and it's not great for your rough markings on rough cut lumber and things of that nature. A lead holder is fantastic for that. So give it a try. I'll leave a link to this kit down below. Also, I've done many other videos on making pens and pencils without lathes, as well as with lathes, and a few other ways. It is a great project that most people can whip out even without a lathe in just a couple hours in your shop. With a lathe, you could have it from beginning to end in a matter of minutes. So it's a great project that you could make a little bit of money on. And if you have someone you need to give a gift to, this is a great keepsake that a lot of people would love to have. So don't let the fact that you don't have a lathe stop you from making pens and pencils. They're a great, easy project and a lot of fun to play with. So I hope you liked this video. If you do have any questions, ideas, concerns, let me know those in the comments down below. And I do want to say a huge thank you to the patrons on Patreon, the members on this channel, people who've clicked that join button. You really are the reason Wood by Wright is still here, so thank you for that. Without your support and encouragement, Wood by Wright would not exist. If you'd like to find out more about that, there's links to Patreon down below, or you can click the join button. And I do actually provide some other information and background videos and things like that that are only available to members and patrons. So thank you for the support. And if you do ever meet anyone scrolling on the side, tell them thank you, because they're the ones keeping the lights on. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. If this is a lead holder, does that make me a lead holder holder? Oh. And if someone were to pick me up, does that make them a lead holder 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 holder?